We booked our Netravati Trek through Namatrip, and the excitement started almost 10 days before the actual trek day. On the day of travel, we boarded the bus at Domlur around 8:30 p.m. Because of the Diwali holidays, it took a long time just to leave Bengaluru. We finally crossed Nelamangala around 11 p.m. Inside the bus, everyone was singing, dancing, and having fun. After a while we slept, and by 6 a.m. we reached Kalasa. The fresh air and the beautiful nature instantly boosted our energy. We reached the homestay, freshened up, and had a delicious breakfast. Around 8:45 am, jeeps were arranged for us, and that's when the real fun began. A full-on jeep roller coaster ride through the Kudremukh mountain ranges. By 9:45 am, we reached the forest checkpost. They verified our PAN cards, and from there, the real adventure started. The Netravati Trek is a moderate trek, easy enough for any normal person to complete. It's around 12 kilometers both ways. For comparison, the tougher treks nearby are Kudremukh and the toughest of South India, Kumar Parvatha. As we entered the forest, the trail became greener and more beautiful. We found 3 small waterfalls or flowing streams on the way. The water was ice cold and pure. We filled our bottles, took photos, and continued walking. Be careful of leeches. They are common in this area, especially after rain. We trekked from 10:15 a.m. to 12:15 p.m. and finally reached the peak. After the last water stream, the trail becomes slightly steep, but the views are worth every step. Rolling green hills, misty valleys, and endless nature. We enjoyed the summit, had our lunch there, and spent about an hour relaxing. While descending around 2 p.m., it suddenly started raining, and the leeches increased. So always carry a raincoat, even if the weather looks clear. Mountain weather changes quickly. We reached the base, took the jeep back to the homestay, had dinner, enjoyed the campfire, and slept peacefully after a long day. The next morning, we started the bus ride at 9 a.m. Our first stop was Samse Tea Estate, where we took Lord Ganesha's blessings and clicked some beautiful photos. Our second stop was the Kalasa hanging bridge, where we spent around 40 minutes enjoying the views and taking videos. Then we continued the journey, and around 2 p.m. we reached the Belur temple. The Hoysala architecture there is unbelievable. Every stone carving feels alive. After a self-sponsored lunch, we left for Bengaluru. Around 9 p.m., I got down at Yeshwantpur metro station and walked home with a heart full of memories. This Netravati Trek gave me fresh air, beautiful nature, fun moments, and unforgettable experiences.